Yo, what's going on? So today's the 13th of June. So I didn't place any trade today. Um, so first things first, I want to start off with like yesterday, because yesterday I was like upset with myself because I didn't hold and I closed my trade early. Essentially, when I should have like I said that I basically I said I should have closed up here. I didn't. Where was it? When did I take that trade actually? Yeah, like I took it around here, and basically my like I was here basically in the trade, and my TP was like basically it was like somewhere up here around in this area, but um, unfortunately we didn't break above that resistance at all, and once we broke below this right here, like closed underneath, we had a strong sign of a bearish structure, especially after this VWAP. And I'm honestly like, I'm not mad at myself now, but I'm also like not proud. I'm just like, it's like, I don't know, like 50-50, but it's fine because, actually, with the war that's like going on and the events that happened yesterday, basically like yesterday night, we saw a big, we saw a big drop actually down here, um, towards towards this level over here, um, which I was really speculating on if I should just like impulsively buy, but I didn't want to buy out of session because I wasn't sure with what was going to happen, especially since we were in a very bearish momentum with the news that was going on and stuff like that. But I don't know. I definitely want to get better essentially at like maybe like impulsively buying here in this area or something, putting like stops like here or something. Because as we can see, like prices like most of the time, I feel like I'm getting better at like price respecting my levels essentially. Um, like we tapped this level, bounced off, and then we've been bullish ever since. And then I was thinking about taking some excuse me, I was thinking about taking some trades today, but I just didn't because I just didn't like gut feeling. It just like told me not to. But the trades I was thinking about taking was like here off the opening, of course, because obviously we're above the VWAP, and then I wanted to target like somewhere like around here, and then as soon as I saw that we would have like touched in here, I would have moved to like break even, but I just didn't take it for some reason. I'm not really sure why. Maybe I got scared or something, just because the level that we were going at. Excuse me, and then I saw here that like we basically broke. Sorry, we didn't break that. We failed to break um in this area fully. We didn't have the volume. So I was hesitating on. I wanted to take sales here, and again, for some reason, I didn't. And I guess like my basically like my probably my entry would have been something like this. I go if I wanted to be like really safe, I would have put like way higher and then target something like down here. But I just didn't really like to risk to reward, I guess. Um, and that's fine. Like no trade days are better than taking a loss. Um, and then let's see here. I wanted to take another buy here, but I hesitated because like at 9:40 we um we went bearish and we did bounce with the VWAP, so I guess I could have like taken this one realistically, especially off the 1 minute, right? If you look at the 1 minute like literally created a lower low, then a lower high, then a higher low, like right here. I could have like honestly entered off something right here, but I didn't really see this move on the 1 minute because I don't really trade the 1 minute at all. I just feel like if I was on that time frame, I would honestly just been like gambling or something. But as of right now, I'm not like disappointed in myself with today. I just maybe I need to work on executing trades better, but I am happy for like having discipline and not pulling the trigger when it came to trades because it's better than losing versus like forcing a trade that like you're unsure of. But today's Friday, so I'm gonna go and shoot for Monday, just like with my consistency and stuff. I don't know, but um hopefully if we break above this level for like for like next week, we can like honestly see something like this right here. Um, that would be like my ideal. But if it doesn't, like I said, I just have to see what the market like plays out and gives us like what opportunities it's gonna give us for next week. But based off the 4 hour, as of right now, we are still bearish. Like we're on this level right here. Like price could literally just like easily just like come down to make that new lower high. Um, and then for the daily still actually now that I see it, the daily still hasn't made a top lick at all. So, well, it has, but like barely. But it doesn't really have to. But there is definitely is a possibility within 6 hours for price just to flip bullish. But if it does, that would honestly be crazy. But it definitely is a possibility. But yeah, man, that's all I see for today. I'm not gonna take any other trades. I'm just gonna watch the charts and shit and just see what happens. But yeah, I'll be back Monday, same time. I'm just gonna keep showing up, man. I'm just gonna keep putting in consistency where I'm gonna try to. Cause I know my time is soon, but I generally I have to put in the work. If I don't put in the work, then I'm just gonna be like at a stalemate forever. And I know that I'm closer to being profitable than I am not. So it's all just a matter of just me like showing up, putting the work in, and just taking it one day at a time. But that's all for me today.